Hi, I'm Roger, and in this video I'm going to show you how to repair holes in the floor of your camper van conversion. So I'm currently converting this 2019 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter into an off-road camper van, and as you can see we've got some issues on the floor to deal with. So let's get to it. Now the current floor in here, what I've done, I haven't done much so far. I've removed the ply lining, and that's taken out. There was the original floor, and then on top of the original floor there was another ply lining. Now that looked great initially, but what it's done is it's hiding a lot of issues under the floor. So panel van, all sorts of stuff going on here, and what I've done is repaired some of the rust, some of the holes. So you can see here there's a metal plate I've put in there. There was a hole, there's a few holes. What I've done, I'll show you, I've used this Hammerite #1 rust beater paint. I've got some Sikaflex 522 and a wire brush, and currently I'm about to patch these 3 holes here. So something has been bolted through the van. There's 3 holes that need fixing, and I found the easiest way to do that is with a metal disc. Now what I need in terms of metal disc, I'm going to use one of these. So this is an English 2p coin, and we're going to use some Sikaflex, which is an adhesive and a sealer, and all I'm going to do is just put a bit of this around the hole, and we're going to seal it right over as well. So you're sealing the hole with the Sikaflex, but we're also just putting a piece around it. And then we take the 2p and just gently push that down. So I'm just going to put a bit more sealer around here. Now these don't have to be super duper structurally sound, because we're going to put a floor on top of here. So I'm putting a batten, an insulation and a subfloor. It's just to seal that hole, but it is really good. This will set, the Sikaflex will set really well. I mean, it doesn't look the prettiest, but that's 3 holes there that are fixed now, and they're not going anywhere. So that's perfect. Those will set, then I'll just paint over them. And I will also show you some rust. So as an example here, I've got this to treat. So you can see, you wouldn't know this hole's here under the clear ply lining, but I've got to fix that hole. And also there is some rust here. Now to treat this, what we're going to use is trusty wire brush, and this is going to get a real and there's another piece just here. Oh, I've unearthed another hole. So there's another hole that needs fixing. Done quite a good job, but I'm also going to, this one here is quite thick rust. I'm going to get the grinder just to finish that up a minute. a bit more. That's got that rust really down to steel now. A lot of this is like earth, so I don't know what this van's been used for. Just going to hoover that up a minute. Okay, now we're going to use the hammerite rust beater. Now this is a treatment for the rust, so we've got as much off as we can, and then this just is applied liberally. You know, don't worry about making a mess here. You just got to get this stuff down, get a real good coat on. And I'm going to go and do a few more pieces now on the van. But this is just to show you the process. I'll fix that hole when the paint's dry. So that's treated that rust, and then once this is dry, tomorrow I've actually got some normal hammerite, so we're going to go over the top of this. We're going to fix all the holes in the van and carry on. So that is one very small step in this camper van conversion. So fixing these holes. I'm going to work through the rest of these holes now, clean all the rust, clean all the mud out, give it a good clean. So when I come back in the next video, we'll have all the rust treated, and then we're going to put the coat of hammerite down, and then we can start on the floor. So that is how to repair holes in the floor of your van, how to treat the rust, and we're going to move on to the next stage in the next video. See you then, bye.